everybody, welcome back to WhatsX Math. In the last video, we learned how to multiply the brackets together. Today, we are going to do the opposite. Instead of multiplying with brackets and getting an answer, we will start with the answer and regain the brackets back. This process is called factorizing. Let's quickly look at what we did last time. When we multiply these two brackets, we got x squared, 3x plus 2x plus 6. 3x plus 2x becomes 5x. Now look carefully, the numbers inside the bracket 2 and 3, 2 times 3 equals 6. That gave us this last number. And 2 plus 3 equals 5. That gave us this middle number. This gives us a very important rule. Whenever we factorize, we are looking for two numbers. Those numbers must multiply to get the last number and add to get the middle number. Let's try a quick puzzle first. X squared plus 7x plus 12. We need two numbers that multiply to get us 12 and that adds up to 7. Let's look at some pairs. 1 and 12. 1 times 12 is 12. 1 plus 12 is 13, which is not 7. So this is wrong pair. Let's try with 2 and 6. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 plus 6 is 8, which is not 7. So this is also incorrect. Let's try with 3 and 4. 3 times 4 is 12 and 3 plus 4 is 7. This is correct. So the two numbers are 3 and 4. So the brackets could be written as x plus 3, x plus 4. That was easy. Now let's learn the full method. X squared plus 8x plus 15. We need two numbers that multiply to give us 15 and adds to 8. Let's look at some pairs. 1 and 15. 1 plus 15 is 16. 1 times 15 is 15. Product is correct, but the sum is not. We want 8, not 16. So let's look at another pair, 3 and 5. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 plus 5 is 8, which is correct. So our numbers are 3 and 5. Now we split the middle terms into two parts. This could be written as x squared plus 3x plus 5x plus 15. Now we split the expressions into two different groups. First group, second group. From the first group, we can take x as common. What is left here? X plus 3. From the second group, we can take plus 5 common here. And what is left? X plus 3. Looking at the brackets, in these two terms, we have x plus 3 common. So we take x plus 3 common here. Now, what is left from this part? X. And what is left from this part? 5. So our answer is x plus 3 bracket x plus 5. Let's look at another example. X squared minus 7x plus 10. Again, we need two numbers. They must multiply to 10 and they must add to negative 7. Let's look at some pairs. 1 and 10. 1 times 10 is 10. 1 plus 10 is 11. This is not correct. Let's try 2 and 5. 2 times 5 is 10, which is correct. 2 plus 5 is 7. The numbers are right, but we need negative 7. So let's make both numbers negative and try again. Minus 2 plus minus 5 equals minus 7, which is correct. Minus 2 times minus 5 multiplied is 10, which is also correct. So our numbers are minus 2 and minus 5. Let's split the middle term and rewrite it with minus 2 and minus 5. This would be x squared minus 2x minus 5x plus 10. Now, let's split the expression into two groups, which is first group and this one is second group. In first group, we can take x common, so we are left with x minus 2. In the second group, since the first number here is negative, we are taking minus 5 common. What are we left with? From 5x, we are left with x, and from plus 10, we are left with minus 2, because minus 5 times minus 2 is plus 10. In these two terms, we find x minus 2 common. So write x minus 2 here. Now what is left from this part here? Only x. And what is left from this expression here? Minus 5. So our answer is x minus 2 bracket x minus 5. Let's look at another example, x squared plus 2x minus 24. Now, we must multiply two numbers to get minus 24 and add to get 2. Since the last number is negative here, this means one number has to be positive and another has to be negative. Let's look at some pairs. 1, 24. This wouldn't give us with 2 as a sum. 2, 12. This is also not the right number. 3, 8. This is also not the right number. 6, 4. This is the right number. Since middle number is positive, the larger number needs to be a positive sign. So the numbers are 6 and minus 4. 6 times minus 4 is minus 24 and 6 minus 4 is 2. Now let's split the middle term. This could be rewritten as x squared plus 6x minus 4x minus 24. We can split these expression into two different groups. First group, second group. From the first group, we can take x common here. What is remaining? X plus 6. From the second group, let's take minus 4 as common because the first number is negative. Now, minus 4x divided by minus 4 is positive x. Minus 24 divided by minus 4 is plus 6. Looking at this expression, in the two terms, we find x plus 6 is common. So taking that out, what is left now? From this term, we have x, and from this term, we have minus 4. So this is the required answer. This is the last example for today. The numbers must multiply to give us negative 10 and add to give us negative 3. Let's look at some pairs. 1, 10. This is not correct. 2, 5. 2 and 5 would give us with the difference of 3. Since middle number is negative, this is negative here. Larger number would get the negative sign. So the numbers are minus 5 and 2. Let's check. Minus 5 plus 2 would give us with the negative 3. Minus 5 times 2 gives us negative 10, which is correct. So the numbers are minus 5 and 2. Let's split the middle term. This could be written as x squared minus 5x plus 2x minus 10. We can split the expression into two groups. That would be first group, second group. From the first group, we can take out x. What are we left with? X minus 5. From second group, we would extract the plus 2, which is a positive 2. Now, 2x divided by plus 2 is x. Minus 10 divided by plus 2 is minus 5. We can notice that x minus 5 is common in both of these terms. Taking x minus 5 common from both of these terms, what are we left with from the first term? It's x. And what are we left with from the second term? It's x plus 2. So this is our answer. And that is how factorizing by grouping works. Remember our rule. Numbers must multiply to the last number and they must add up to the middle number. Then we split the middle terms, factor each of the parts separately and look for the common terms. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.